Alright guys, there was a monkey mechanic working over here, and this is one of my good customers, and he took the car to a mechanic who told him everything on this Mini Cooper was bad. Everything, alright? I'm not afraid to work on a car, alright? And so shouldn't you, alright? So if you're working in a mechanic field, you shouldn't be scared of work, alright? And I see hell of a stuff this guy did, and this car was misfiring. So the guy went at it, he did hell of a stuff, and what I noticed was, what the customer told me was, he had oil inside the spark plugs, and I don't know if he cleaned it or if he changed the spark plugs, but anyways, got a little pipe right here, right? This car has a code for misfire, all the cylinders, oxygen sensor, lean, mass sensor, everything that you could possibly think of is throwing codes over, right? So really, this is the problem with this car, right? This Mini Cooper right here, this is the air duct pipe that goes right here, right? And I'm gonna show you what's wrong here, right? So let me grab this camera. All right, so I'm gonna show you what's wrong in here, right? Again, this is a 09 Mini Cooper, all right? This is what we got here, guys. All right, don't be afraid of the car, right? So I scanned the car. It tells me all kinds of crazy stuff, all right? Gives me a code for this, all right? Gives me a code that all the cylinders are misfiring. Gives me code for a whole bunch of other stuff. Oxygen sensor, air fuel, all kinds of stuff, all right? But you see this right here? Let me grab my light. I ordered this pipe because I checked this car earlier, and see that? Look at that. It's missing a piece. It's missing a piece. It's missing the front of this pipe. You see that? That's what it's missing, all right? This tube stays behind, and that overlaps that, and this gets the clamp, all right? Doesn't come with the clamp. Well, figure something out. Even a zip tie will do it. But better than nothing, all right? But anyways, that's what we're looking at, all right? So all you need to do is replace this little guy, reset the light, let it run, and you're gonna test the car, guys. Don't go crazy. Don't listen to people telling you change the sensor here, change the ignition coil, change this spark plugs, change this. The problem's still gonna be there, all right, guys? So this is what I'm gonna be changing on this car, and over time this plastic gets hard. See that? All right, look, I can't even bend this guy. Look how soft this one is, all right? This is really tough, all right? So it will break if you're trying to get this off, but if you heat it up, if you let the engine warm up a little bit, then it should come off a little bit easier. And should be a very simple job, guys. Don't let a mechanic take advantage of you. I know I'm a mechanic. I shouldn't be saying mechanics are bad, but be careful out there, all right, guys? And just find a good mechanic that you trust, all right? So I'm gonna be doing this, then I'll reset the light, then I'll let the car run again. If any codes pop up, well, we'll change the sensors. It's even giving me a code for a NOx sensor, right? But the customer told me the car was heavily misfiring, and the guy cleaned out the plugs or whatever he did. That could have been the reason why it's giving a signal for a NOx sensor. But if NOx sensor needs to be done, we'll do the NOx sensor. Where's the NOx sensor? I have no clue, but it might be down there somewhere. It might be in the back somewhere, but it's connected right to the center of the block, all right? So we'll figure that one out. I'm not saying I don't know where, because I need to figure out where the hell the NOx sensor is on this car. This car is a compact. There's no space on this thing anywhere. So if the NOx sensor is down there, I might lift the car up, put my arm from down below. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll figure that one out, but hopefully I don't get to that. Anyway, guys, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share and like all of my videos. If you guys need help with anything, send me a message, all right? So before you do anything crazy, guys, look around, all right? Quick vacuum leak, and I'm gonna replace this, and that's it, and I'll show you once it's done. All right, guys, got this little guy out. What I did was I used a torch right here. I held it really high, and I let it heat up right here, and this plastic became soft. Then I put a little splice into it, and cling, it comes right out, right, guys? Don't break this little guy, all right? You can even stick a screwdriver from the edge here and open this up, all right? And it should be very easy to go on the other one. I'm gonna put that on, and then the job should be well done. All right, guys, went and got me this clamp. All right, this is like a 3-inch clamp, but anything that will fit here perfectly would work, guys. All right, and I would face it according to I would face it this way or this way. All right, so you can get a really good like a touch of it. So face it this way, the bolt, or face it here like the opposite direction right here, so you can get a good easy way to tighten this little guy. All right, and I went and got me this WD-40, guys. The reason why I got WD-40 is just spray some on this little guy right here, all right, and spray some over here, and I would spray a little bit over there. All right, take your finger, rub all around it. You could do the same thing here if you like. All right, that would make things very easy. All right, so this clamp goes here, but I'll leave it on the neck here, and I'm gonna angle it in this angle. All right, the other clamp on this little guy I'm gonna take off and put it there. All right, and all I'm gonna do is stick the pipe, and lock up the connectors of these clamps, and that's it, guys. After that, I'll reset the light and I'll let the car run, and bada bing bada boom. Thank you, subscribe, and bye bye, guys. All right, and I'm definitely sure this is gonna fix the car. I might have to change 1 or 2 sensors because that's totally a different story, but I'm not gonna be telling the guy he needs to tune up, he needs oxygen sensor. All right, that's just crazy, man. It's gonna cost the guy like 2-3 grand. All right, but anyways, all right, and you can find this pipe on eBay. All right, this one cost me a little bit extra because I had to pay shipping, but you can find this pipe probably for $80 to $90, and spend another $1 on clamps. All right, and buy yourself a little torch like the one I have on the floor right there. I don't even know why it's sitting on the floor, but anyways, bye bye, see you in the next one, guys.